Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Handmade by Gardena. I hope everyone is having a good day. Sorry I'm late with my video today. I had took some medicine for nausea yesterday after I got back home from the doctor, and I have slept since yesterday. I took some Finnegan and it just knocked me on my hind end. So this is hashtag 5-day Val Digi with Cara Branding Creations and Dear Julie, and this is day 4. Can't believe we're just one day away. So this is Dear Julie's. We have some journaling cards and a postcard and some ephemera. And Cara Branding made a collage sheet. So one thing that I've already made for us is I made an altered paper clip, a hidden paper clip with Dear Julie's. So I put this on this side, this on this side, with some ribbon on the top of the paper clip. And you just slide it over the top of your page like that. And it shows on both sides. And I just put it over on top of some scrapbook paper. So that is done. Another thing I'm going to do is we are going to do, it's called a quilt patch journaling page. And I have Cara Branding's page on thick copy paper, but I'm going to use the thin because it's easier to use. And then this is going to be one of the pages in my journal. So we're just going to do one side, but later on I am going to do the other side off camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our tear ruler. And we're just going to tear some little pieces out. And we'll also use some of Dear Julie's. Let me get the edges torn off here. I hope that everyone is doing well and having a good day. I am still sleepy, but I said I've got to get up and do this video. So I think if I ever have to take that pill for nausea again, I will just take a half one. No more taking a whole one for me. My doctor always said I wasn't a good drug addict because I cannot handle medicine very good at all. So what we're going to do is we're just going to tear off little pieces like this. And we're going to glue it down. We'll use the 4 corners to get like the 4 corners of our page. That way it'll be easier for us. I hope that I don't want to tear that bird's head off. I hope that everyone is watching the other elves I've not had a chance to. Hopefully tomorrow I can do that, because I know I've got enough rest. That's for sure. Sleeping for almost 2 days. Let's tear this white off of here. Let's use some of Julie's small ephemera on this also. I think it would go good. And this is also a good way to use up some of your scraps too. It's a good project to use up scraps, because not that anyone has any scraps or anything. Okay, let me get rid of this sheet. It's getting really sticky. Okay, let's try to get this chandelier. Excuse me. And you can use some music paper on it. You can use music paper, book pages, I mean, it's just unlimited of all the things that you can use on this. And it still leaves a place in the middle for someone to journal on. So tomorrow is going to be the last day, and I really hate that, because I've had such a good time. I always have a good time. Had a good time at Christmas doing this. I've had a good time at Valentine's doing this. Hopefully Cara and Julie will do this again, which they may be getting tired of us stating they don't want to do it for us anymore, but I really do want to tell them that I appreciate them doing these collaborations for us and asking us to be elves, because I have had a great time. I always have a great time when I do this for them. I'm going to save that for something else. But I just want to thank dear Julie and Cara Brandon Creations for hosting this collaboration. I appreciate all the hard work that goes into this, because I know that it's a lot of hard work to create these digitals and to put them all online and to get together with each other, to find time to get together with each other to do all of it. Because I know Julie does monthly challenges and she has lives daily. So I know that she is very busy doing all those lives. And then Cara has children, plus she does her YouTube channel full time, so she's very busy. So I know this has to take up a lot of their time. So I really do appreciate them doing this for us so much. I just can't express my gratitude for them enough for doing this. So this is our patchwork paper. And then they can journal in the middle. And like I said, this is a good scrap. Use up your scraps. You can use small ephemera. You can use music paper. You can use leftovers from just about anything. I mean, the possibilities are just endless. It's an awesome project. I really like it. And then I'll use the rest of this for this side off camera. We have this right here, and then we've made this, and we've made this, and then we have a postcard, which I will probably leave as a postcard and use it as a journaling card, and I will use this as a journaling card. I will probably use this as an ephemera. Like, I could use this right now. One good thing about when I went to Lexington yesterday, the only thing we have here in Somerset is a Joann's. And so while I was in Lexington, we got there a little bit early. And I got to go to Michael's. Got to go to a Michael's, which there really wasn't a lot of good deals like I thought there would be. Which I've only been in a Michael's twice. So, but I did get me some scrapbook papers, and I got this glue because I see Julie using it all the time. And I thought that I would give it a try. Let's use this as a pocket. Yeah, I thought I would give this glue a try to see if I like it, because sometimes it is hard to order art glitter glue. Well, not sometimes. It is hard to order art glitter glue in the winter. So I got some to try. See if I like it or not. And one thing, it does give you a little bit of time where art glitter glue doesn't give you time to like rearrange things. So there's that. We can stick that down in there. And then there's our over the page. So there's what we made for day 4. I started to say day 3. I don't even know what day it is. I've slept so long. So I want to thank everyone for watching watching all my videos. I am 10 people away now from 100 subbies. I'm so excited. Can't wait to reach 100 subbies. And I want to thank all my new subbies. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a lot of fun. Hope I can teach you something. I'm new to the journaling world, so I'm learning something every day also. I want to welcome back all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all also. And I want to thank you for sticking with me. And I just appreciate you all. And always remember my motto. I wasn't driving. I've not drove since the beginning of December. I'm going to forget how to drive if I don't get to be able to drive again soon. I'm going to have to start riding a bicycle, I guess, or something if they don't start letting me drive. I saw this sign on a church, and you know how they put sayings up, and it said, be contagious with a smile instead of COVID. And I'm like, hey, they stole my saying. And so I got my laugh, my smile for the day out of that. So yeah, that made me smile for the day, because a church stole my saying. But it's not my saying. I'm glad that hopefully other people can drive down the road and see that and smile and everything. So I really got a kick out of that. And one thing that I did see on Facebook, that it was talking about the year 2020 is, which COVID is nothing to laugh about. But just to give you a smile, I have to tell you a joke, is COVID did do one thing that a woman has never been able to do in her life, is close down bars, shut down football, and keep men at home. So that's one thing about COVID that maybe you can smile about. I mean, it's nothing to smile about, but you have to smile. So keep those smiles coming. Think of positive things. We're up to a minute a day. Spread those smiles. Think of something happy. Appreciate you all. This is my happy place. And as that movie is on, there's this one movie that we watched. It was the first movie that me and my husband watched on our first date, and it was a man of the house, and he was in a house full of cheerleaders, and the cheerleader asked him to show his happy face, and he looked at her and he said, "This is my happy face." So I want everybody's happy face to come on. So I will see you all tomorrow for day 5. I want to see everybody's happy face on their faces, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day, everybody, even though today is almost over here in America, but it's probably just starting in other parts of the world. Everybody be safe, be happy. See y'all tomorrow. Goodbye.